Good Wednesday morning, everybody. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com with your forecast for August 14th, 2013. We'll have some lake effect clouds and possibly a few showers out there. We'll take a look at the radar, see if we have any around this morning. We'll also have fall-like temperatures today. Will it warm up, though, later in the week? Get all the details and much more starting right now. Overall quiet across northeastern Ohio this morning, but we're going to take a closer look there in a moment and see plenty of clouds and even a few showers out there this morning. We do have some showers and storms that are diminishing across parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. Showers and storms across parts of Texas down into the Gulf Coast states of Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana. Also some showers off the North Carolina coast, and some showers over a low pressure system across parts of the northeastern United States as well. Temperatures in many locations cool, 50s across Ohio and much of the Great Lakes region, 60s across the coast, 50s and 60s across the Intermountain Wests, where 70s and 80s are present along the Gulf Coast states from Texas to Florida. Looking across northeastern Ohio this morning, let's click it over to our visible satellite, and we're going to see the clouds a little bit better. These are low lake effect clouds. Yes, these are lake effect clouds due to the wind pretty much being out of the north-northwest streaming across the lake, and you can see they're pushing well inland down to even to Dover, New Philadelphia, and even well into Pennsylvania too. That's going to be the case through a good part of the morning and part of the afternoon as well. Look out here, you can even see lake effect clouds from Chicago off Lake Michigan all the way down towards Terre Haute, Indiana. So plenty of lake clouds to go around. Now, there were a few showers out here this morning. If we back up our radar just a little bit, you can see right here, right along I-90 near Madison, we had a few showers. That's basically going to be the case through much of the morning, is we're going to have a chance for showers just like that across the area on and off through late morning. Not a big threat, but just isolated at best. Temperatures are chilly this morning. 62 downtown Cleveland, 61 Lorain, 57 at Ashtabula and Youngstown, 56 otherwise at Ravenna, Akron, Canton, and Mansfield, 55 at Worcester, and 58 at Dover, New Philadelphia. Mansfield this morning reporting clear skies, so some sun around Mansfield. They'll probably be the ones that get the warmest today. Temperatures may not make it to 70. Our high yesterday, 72 degrees to low 64. We were 9 degrees below our average high of 81. The record high 97, the record low 46. Just a little bit of rain for yesterday early on. We're just shy of an inch and a half for the month, and we're at 26.87 inches for the year. Sunrise is at 6:35 a.m. and sunset at 8:27 p.m. Are you sneezing out there? Your eyes itchy and watery? I know mine are, and that's because the ragweed pollen has arrived. It's in the high category. Grass pollen is low. Mold spores are also low as well. What's going to be affecting us over the next several days will be the ragweed, and it does not look to be diminishing anytime soon. So if you do suffer from allergies from ragweed, it's not going to be a fun ride. All right, we do have high pressure that will move into the area. It's lagging a little behind this morning. It's still up in Wisconsin. We expect it to be down more towards our area this morning. But what will eventually happen is high pressure will slide into the area for Thursday. That's also going to drag some cooler air with it as well. So we're going to see cooler temperatures through late week before we start warming back up more towards our average high around 80 towards the beginning of next week. And that will happen when that high pressure moves off to the east. But for now, the cool weather and plenty of sun to go around as well. The forecast for today, though, mostly cloudy, perhaps a isolated lake effect rain shower or two. We have a few out there already this morning, as we saw. Our high only 69 degrees, and it's going to be a struggle to get there in a few locations, especially where the clouds hang tough. Winds out of the northwest at 8 to 14 miles per hour will make it feel even a little cooler. Kick your morning off at 8 a.m. Cloudy, an isolated shower off to the east possible. Temperature around 56, 62 by 11 a.m. Lake effect shower or two possible. They should be coming to an end though before noon. and mostly cloudy at 2 p.m., 67, partly cloudy by 5 p.m., and 68. Will continue a gradual clearing trend through the evening, and overnight will be clear. It'll be chilly with a low around 48 outside of town that could get into the lower and middle 40s in your valley location. So a chilly night in store for the entire area indeed. Now, we do warm up on the 7-day forecast. Fortunately, it won't come tomorrow. Still cool tomorrow, but very pleasant fall-like once again for your Thursday with plenty of sun. Our high 73 degrees. We're up to 77 on Friday with continued sun. Mostly sunny on Saturday, 78. Here we hit 80 on Sunday. Will be partly cloudy through much of the day. There'll be a chance of a late day storm. Better chance overnight and into Monday morning for a shower or thunderstorm as a low pressure system moves up the Ohio Valley. 81 is your high on Monday. Those showers and storms will primarily be early in the morning, then will gradually clear out through the late morning and afternoon hours. Tuesday, though, partly cloudy, pleasant, and 83 degrees. The warm weather looks to continue into the middle of next week, but by late next week, it looks like more showers and storms will be around the area. Be sure to stay with NeoWeather.com for the very latest forecast. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer. Thank you for watching today's forecast. Get the latest weather at NeoWeather.com. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. NeoWeather.com, Ohio's home for weather.